Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component from this spark plug, and this will be the center electrode. This is how it's going to look. So first let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, press OK. Now here let's make this plane white and we'll open a sketch in the front plane. And here let's start the next sketch. We'll start with line and let's make it just like this. And now back to this point. Alright, and now let's use Smart Dimension to define this sketch. Actually, let's make a center line also. I always forget about this. Okay, and now this line here will have 2 millimeters. Okay, this one here will have 5.35. This one here will have 2.8. Everything is in millimeters. And now let's see, the angle here will be 173.25. Oops. Okay. And now this line here will have 1. This one here will have also 1. This one will have 4.5. Here will be 1.2. And now let's give an angle right here, and here will be 168 degrees. Okay, and now this other line here will have 14.32. This one will have 9.5. And this line here will have 1.85. And here will be 0.2. And now this is fully defined. Go to features, use sorry about this, revolved boss base command. And here should be selected this center line or this line, and press here OK. Nice. And now let's select this face, open a sketch. And here let's make the next sketch. We'll start with a center line. Make a center line just like this, and then with line let's make these 2 lines. Select these 2 lines with this center line and select here make symmetric. And now let's give an angle between them. Here will be 105 degrees. And let's try to... First let's select 3-point arc and let's make here an arc. Just like this. And now we'll select this arc with this edge. And select here make tangent. And now with Smart Dimension let's try and give a dimension to this line here. And here let's make it 0.3 millimeters. And this is looking good. And now go to features and use extruded cut. And here instead of blind, select up to next. Press here OK and let's take a look. Let's try and make this a little bit bigger. Let's go back here. Let's edit this sketch a little bit. Let's try to put here 0.31 to see if it will be any change. And now exit this sketch. And it seems that 0.30 is the right one. Now just go back and change it. Okay, so we'll keep 0.3 millimeters there. And now let's go to the next part. Now we'll have to multiply this. So to do that, we'll go to linear pattern, select from here circular pattern. Here we'll keep this, the direction, any round faces or edge of this part. I'm gonna select. Okay, so for the direction, click here and then select the direction. No features to mirror. Click on this cut we just made. Here the instances will be 24, the degrees will be 360. Press OK. And now let's make another cut. So select this face, open here a sketch, and now select circle, and this circle will go until this point. Now it should automatically be fully defined. Go to features, use extruded cut, and here select blind, and select here flip side to cut, and here the distance should be 0.75. Alright, press OK. Now we'll have to multiply this 3 more times. We need 3 more of this. So to do that, we'll go to linear pattern. Here the direction, we can choose any of these edges, a straight one. And here we'll put 4 instances. And here it will be 1.75. And the features, we'll have to select this extruded cut. Actually, it will not be 1.75, but 2.5. 2.5. Okay. And now let's press OK. Yes, it's 2.5. I'm sorry about that. And now this is good. Now let's apply some fillets and some chamfers. So first will be the fillet. Go to fillet. The first radius will be 0.25. The first and only, I think. We'll select this edge with this other one and press OK. And now let's select chamfer, also from fillet. This chamfer will have the dimension 0.75. The degrees will be 45. And the edge will be this one. Press OK. And now the next chamfer. So we'll go back to chamfer. We'll have the dimension 0.25. Also 45 degrees. This time we'll select this one. Press OK. And now this is looking good. This is the electrode, the center electrode. So this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.